If you want to stop CamScanner notifications during the night on your iPhone, here's how to enable Do Not Disturb mode in the CamScanner app. First, open the CamScanner app on your iPhone. Once the app opens, tap on the Me option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, scroll down a little and tap on More Settings. After that, select Notification Settings. Here you'll see the Do Not Disturb option. Simply tap on the toggle next to it to enable the feature. Once it's turned on, CamScanner will stop sending notifications during the quiet hours, usually from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. This is useful if you want fewer distractions while sleeping or studying. If some options look different on your screen, it may depend on your app version or iPhone iOS version, but the steps are mostly similar. And that's it. That's how you can enable Do Not Disturb in CamScanner on iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone and app tutorials.